legacy project do say na more timi attach here ma make progress because here dey ma be say ma muska say mo fanya say adwuma no
na over here yeah district education director na ne Bangalore na asay kra
okay
ti ye the BSCC and e been so called your market
okay
yeah and let's say DCE residency also
okay
na yeah nti yes CC ho
okay
and fiscal planning the so yeah the be
okay
ti yasa actually project be been say AJB school dan bo ma omasia say windows cry any but ya start here person
okay no mo fix windows okay
and your former MP and so see chip company bi e wo enye hwe na omawi aka say ye be ye nsuo ni nema kakra bi na omatima yusu eno so na ya kan room
anyway
yes anti I say ye baby we na within next month I handover
okay
e da mom na omayusu
na baby see there
Akoma FM 87
closer to community.
Oh yeah.
Sir.
Ben opa.
He said yeah. And see atene ho ewura na twene ho asi am say bia. O ko je asi baby.
By next month be CC na.
Okay.
Name omo here bia no.
Okay. MP no na former MP.
Yes, onam just
yes, okay. Ona from the common fund na.
Yes, from the common fund.
Okay. Na o ma jan say ya anti. Mo be hwe na these are things you hear some more for money na mo be there boy because it's not about as we see the album it's about the people
because we share communities be 6 and a honum tietimi ya e bit ma hwe se na ba muncha kwa e ma kusuka
I see so far I know legacy project modern monsa kan mo wi enti